Hello, third and fourth graders. This is going to be your technology lesson for this week, and I'll give you another new one about the same time next week. So the kids that have come to me in person have we've already started this lesson. So I'm just going to walk you through it, and let's go ahead and get started. So one of the cool things about being in third grade, or when you get to third grade at STARS, is that we provide you with a Minecraft Education Edition license. So we use that several times throughout the year just to work on different projects in all subject areas. So today's project is going to be using Minecraft Education. So the first thing we need to do is see how to download it, because you can download it for free on your PC, you can download it on iPad, you can download it on an Android device, and you can download it on a Chromebook. And like I said, it's free to download. All you have to do is download it and then log in with your student account. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So to get started, I'm just going to open up a blank tab in my Google Chrome browser. Then I'm going to type in the search bar, Minecraft Education download. Okay, it's going to be this first one, first hyperlink there. I'm going to click on that, and then since the computer I'm using is a Windows desktop, I'm going to use that version to download. Now here, if you had a Chromebook, you'd click here. If you had an Apple product, you would click here. So that's the same exact page for those as well. So I'm going to click on download. Okay, you can see the download started here on the bottom of the screen. It tells you how many seconds you have left. Now I'm going to go ahead and click open when done. That way when it gets done, it'll start. Okay, you can see it started the installation process. And it usually goes pretty fast. It'll take just a couple of minutes to get this up and running. I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next again. I'm going to accept the terms. You're welcome to read all these if you want. There's a lot of them. I wouldn't. Okay. Now we're going to click next. And we want to create a shortcut on the desktop. And then we're going to click install. Now, I already have this installed on my computer, so it's not going to make it all the way through the installation process. But that is all you do, and then when it finishes, it's going, go ahead and click yes. It's going to ask you if you want to finish. You're going to click finish. When you do, Minecraft Education Edition will launch and start up. Okay, so I'm going to cancel it, because like I said, I already have it, so I don't need to do it again. Okay, and that's what it'll say when it's done. You can click finish and it'll launch. Okay, so logging into Minecraft, you're going to, of course, open the program. Okay, for those of you that play Minecraft, you'll notice there's just a few differences in the way it looks and the way it functions, but it's more or less the same. So that's my school email. So, and then I'm going to use the same password that I have for my school account. So you guys will use that too. Your first name, period, last name at starscharter.org, and then your password being Sandhills, and then those 4 numbers. All right, so I'm going to click play. And here, since you're not connected to my world, you will just click on create new world. Okay, I'm going to open up a world that classes have already started in so that you can see some examples. This is Miss Crowder's homeroom. Okay, so here are some examples of the project, and the project is kind of like a way to introduce yourself to the class, but instead of you standing up in front of the class and telling them stuff that you like and dislike, you are going to be creating a project that represents you. So it's going to be like something that you like, something you like to do, something you like to eat maybe. So here's an example. This group, they're not done yet, but they are creating a cell phone. Okay, and they're setting it up with redstone and a lever so that it will light up. Let's see, someone here is building a garden because they like to garden with their parents. Okay, let's go over here. Let's see, I can't remember what this was. I think it might have been a bed or something like that. Yeah, someone was creating a bed because they said they like to take naps and sleep. Okay. Someone also in another class built a giant Oreo and a glass of milk because they said that's what they like to do. This is going to be a Xbox. They just haven't got done with it yet, but they like to play Xbox. So that's what they're building. I had someone that built a model of a Nintendo Switch because they like to play the Switch. So those are just some of the examples of the type of this project that we're working on currently. So just you're creating something that represents you, something you like to do, something you like to play, something you like to eat, something you would like to be when you grow up maybe. More or less anything that represents you. Okay. So you're not able to join my server. So what I would like for you to do is you can download the Education Edition. If you're not able to do that, that's fine. If you have the Pocket Edition on a phone or tablet, you're welcome to use that. But just build something that represents you, take a screenshot of it or a picture of it, and upload it to the assignment on your Teams account. So I'll post this in your channel, your specials channel, and it'll have an announcement that says Mr. Sewell's Virtual Technology. So you can post your screenshot underneath that announcement. You can reply and then send me your screenshot, and then that way everyone in your grade level will be able to see it as well. So I look forward to seeing what you guys can build and getting to know you a little bit better through that, and to all the lessons that we'll be doing together this year. Thanks, guys.